Hello everyone, it's Eleonora from Dermacure here. Today I want to show you the Lumi Eyes, the viral Korean skin booster that we can put under the eyes to improve hollowed eyes, to rejuvenate the skin, to brighten the skin, to improve fine lines, wrinkles. It's a polynucleotide product. It's made up of DNA fragments from salmon or salmon milk that will help improve the skin quality overall under the eye area. It's only for under the eye area, therefore it's great for hollowed eyes. So this is a great alternative to the tear-through filler. So if someone has had a tear-through filler in the past, it has been dissolved and you still have ended up with hollowed eyes, this is the perfect product for you. It's also very helpful to improve the collagen synthesis, which will improve the collagen and elastic fibers, and that's going to result in better firmness of the skin, eventually improving fine lines and wrinkles. The skin will be plumper. It's recommended to do 4 sessions in about 4 weeks interval for best results. It's absolutely incredible product. The results are great. You can see on the pictures, and I'll show you today how I'm performing that treatment. It comes in one syringe, pre-filled syringe, so you can see the product here. So I'm going to remove the numbing cream. One, two, three, four, five. Maybe about, so half will be for the eye and half for the other eye. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Any feeling? No. Perfect. One more. Okay. Ready? Any pain? No. How do you feel? Good. Good. And I'm going to apply some sunscreen on her face. We can use it after microneedling. So we kind of applied sunscreen now. So I just completed the Lumi Eyes polynucleotide booster. My customer feels good. She didn't feel anything during the treatment. The treatment was about 5 to 10 minutes long and about 10 minutes to 15 minutes for numbing. So altogether about half an hour. It's extremely easy. We just applying under the eyes. Slightly lumps, slightly blebs, we can see now. No bruising at all, which is really good. I have applied sunscreen that calms the skin after the procedure. And of course, I'm going to give her aftercare advice, which is not to touch the area. Just try to relax. Don't go to gym for a couple of days because, you know, it's not very good after treatment like that to just do some active exercises. Try not to touch too much the area for the next few days. And no hot shower, steam sauna or any active exercise, which I already said, for the next 1 to 2 days. This is important. No exfoliation on that area. And she will start seeing difference within a week time. As I said, it's recommended to do fewer sessions, 4 sessions in 4 weeks interval. So once a month, 4 sessions once a month to see really the best benefits of that treatment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see more videos like that, please subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in any courses, like aesthetic courses, advanced aesthetic or beauty training, you can just check the website. I'll put the link at the description below. And if you're interested in any treatments like this one, please again contact us on Dermacure, hello@dermacure.co.uk, or you can just go on our website and we guide you there how to reach out to us. If you had this treatment before and you would like to ask something about it or you want to share some experience, please put your comments on the section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.